If you often notice that photos sent through Facebook Messenger look blurry or compressed, you can fix this easily by sending them in HD quality. This ensures your images keep their original clarity and sharpness when shared. First, open the Messenger application on your phone and go to the chat where you want to send the image. This can be an individual conversation or a group chat. Once inside, tap the photo or gallery icon located in the message input area. This will open your device's photo library. Next, carefully select the image you want to send. When the photo opens in full screen preview mode, look at the top right corner of the screen. You will see an HD option. Tap on it to enable high definition mode. Once activated, the app will prepare the image in higher quality, preserving more detail and reducing compression. After enabling HD, simply press the send button. The image will now be delivered in enhanced quality, and you will notice an HD label on the photo thumbnail inside the chat. This confirms that the image has been sent in high resolution. Now you can send clear HD photos anytime on Messenger. Thanks for watching.